Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to automatically generate captions for TikTok and Instagram using AI tools, making your content more accessible and engaging without spending hours typing subtitles. So let's just jump right in. So one of the easiest method you can do is you can use CapCut, which within the CapCut we can use the AI tool. So we have auto caption feature in it. So what you can do is you can open up CapCut, or you can even use Instagram or TikTok built-in captions or Feed.io or different other AI tools. So for this video, let's use CapCut. And once you're in the CapCut, what you need to do is you can just go ahead and import your video here and look out for the auto captions option here. So look out for the audio option first of all and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding different options available. You can scroll around it and so an option for auto captions available. If not from here, what you can do is you can basically select the option for text to audio. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you will be finding option to go ahead and transcribe the audio automatically here, and then use that feature right here. If not this, what you can do is you can directly look out for captions option. Scroll right and find the option for captions and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding an option for auto captions. You can tap on auto captions and make sure that you have the volume turned on. So you can tap on auto captions and turn it on. And from here, you can select the option of generating from the video. You can select that option, and you can select the option for spoken language. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can select the language. For example, it can auto detect the language, or you can select the language, let's say English. And once you do so, you can even check out for the templates for the caption available, and you can select the option for generate from and video. And once that is done, you can tap on generate. And once it is done, you can just go ahead and wait for a bit. It may take about some seconds for it to be completed, but it should be quick. You can just go ahead and wait for some seconds, and once it is done, you can fill the caption for any kind of header, and it will automatically detect the audio and create the caption. So wait for it done. And there we go. You can see now the caption bit has been some is being available on your CapCut. You can directly upload it to TikTok or Instagram Reels once your captions are baked in. You can even look out for resolutions, etc. You can edit out and add up different kind of other things if you prefer. And that's it. And you learned how to create auto generate the captions on your phone using CapCut or even any kind of AI tools. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.